Today we want to do mini braids on this hair, smaller than this of course, so that they can last for 2 weeks or 3 weeks depending on how they will be looking. So please join me on this journey until the end. Do not go anywhere. This hair is still wet. I just washed it. I have already moisturized the hair, detangled it. So it's just for me to do the braids and for you to learn a thing or two throughout this video. I'll not take more than 10 minutes just showing you the whole process. Be here with me even as we watch a movie. Grab your hot coffee or chocolate so that we are here together. I start by separating my hair very easily. I usually do this part away from the camera. I go to the mirror and do my main lines first because priorities. When I come back, I make the lines smaller. I know my hair very well, so this part is easy for me. Me and my hair, we understand each other. Since these are mini braids, I separate each section again into 3 smaller pieces. The 3 strands should be neat and nice. No confusion here, guys. Then I pick up my hair gently and take my time. I do not strain my hair at all, as you can see, because if you do, just know you're signing up for a very, very long day. Mini braids should just feel calm, gentle, stress-free. We are not fighting our hair. No, not today, not any day. One thing I really love about mini braids is how light they feel. I don't do them very often, but once I do, my hair just feels free. You actually need to be lightheaded for this and emotionally prepared because they will take a lot of time, but they're very light on your hair. Remember, you can just grab your movie as you're doing this, grab your popcorn so that you can do this and just feel at home as you're doing this. Also, they also take way less time. If I were to compare this to the braids that I do, I will just stay here forever. Remember when I do knotless braids, you always see me taking forever because that's double work. Mini braids, much kinder. Just quick reminder, guys, if you're enjoying this, please tap the like button for me and just comment. Are you loving this? Would you do this? Would you try this? And styling them, these braids are just very easy to style, especially at the length of my hair. Right now, you already saw at the beginning of this video how I styled them. Quick, simple, no negotiations, just very, very easy. Again, these mini braids also make my hair feel very African, guys. They give me that strong African woman vibe. My friends, I appreciate my hair exactly how it grows. No extras, just me and my hair, you know. Again, these mini braids, if I were just to say, they also really good for hair growth. Once your hair is tucked away and left alone for a while, it just starts minding its own business and growing. And by now you can see how I am continuing to do these mini braids. Look at how cute they are already looking like. They are starting to come together. Trust the process, guys. And lastly, mini braids, they're easy to maintain. You can do so many things with this hair. It doesn't ask for much. Low effort, high reward. We all love that. By now I've finished that side up. I'm now doing this other side up. It's very easy to just cut your hair. If you already know your head, if you do your hair most of the times, it becomes easy for you to know how that separating of the lines is. We are almost done, and I'm sure you can already tell this process is very simple, nothing complicated, just patience and gentle hands. So let me quickly answer some of the questions I always get about mini braids, the FAQs. How long do I keep my braids in? Usually 2 to 4 weeks. Once they start telling you it's time, please listen. So many times we pretend we are not listening, but just please listen. It's nice to not keep them for so long. You can, yes, if you're moisturizing them, if you're washing them, you can keep them. But for just neatness sake, you can just keep them for 4 weeks. And then, do mini braids help with hair growth? They don't magically grow your hair, guys, overnight, but they do protect it. And protected hair, that's growing hair. Then the other question is, can I wash my hair with mini braids? Of course, of course, of course, yes. Please be gentle, focus on the scalp, and don't fight the braids. We are friends here. We are all friends here. Do mini braids cause tension? Only if you install them with anger. If you're gentle, your scalp will be very, very happy. And by now you can see, guys, I am actually done. I'm sorry I didn't show you the back side because I realized that it would take much more time, and it was already at night. So I decided I'll not show you the back side. But basically, whatever I did in the front side is whatever I did on the back side, just very, very simply. And then now I'm just trying to style them up just like that. But before I finish, I'll just say the other thing that I get asked is, how do I keep them moisturized? Do a light spray, light oil, and mind your business. Overdoing it is not required. So yes, guys, and that's it. Simple, gentle, and very doable. See how the style looked. Oh my god, so how happy I am at the end with the results. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it. It supports my channel. And tell me in your comments, what's your favorite thing about mini braids? Or would you try them on your hair? I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Please subscribe if you haven't done so.